Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Okay, graduates, welcome on board for our topic on energy conservation. And what to conserve energy is to ensure that there is no energy wastage. Remember that any time when energy is wasted, we have done a disservice to ourselves. For example, if someone was using a vehicle and the energy that was used to run this vehicle was a fuel, if this fuel is wasted, the source of energy, this person will suffer losses. So it is always important to ensure that the energy that we have is properly utilized. And there are three methods in which we can utilize that. One is by what we call using energy efficient devices. Using energy efficient devices. Using energy efficient devices. The other way you can conserve energy is by doing what we call using energy sparingly. Using energy sparingly. The other one is using renewable energy. Renewable energy. So those are the three main methods of conserving energy. We can conserve energy either by using energy efficient devices, using energy sparingly, and using renewable energy. When I'm talking about energy efficient devices, I'm referring to gadgets or devices that don't waste energy. For example, now using energy efficient devices. Using energy efficient devices. Efficient devices. The best example here is an improved GECO. What we call an improved GECO. And I'll say why it is improved. Traditionally, the method of cooking was the 3-stone method, where you put firewood. But this method of conserving energy wastes a lot of energy. How? The moment you put all this firewood and you want to boil only 3 cups of tea, then you use 5 pieces of wood. How many trees have you destroyed, or how many branches have you destroyed? You have destroyed several branches. Number 2, what heat was needed to boil only that? It is very little quantity of heat. So all the other heat will be lost into the surrounding. So the moment you put your water, it will boil, then all the other energy will be lost into the surrounding in form of heat. It will not be useful. And that's what I'm saying, we need to tap that energy. We need to ensure that we are conserving energy. So then we went to what we call a metallic GECO. That was this way. It had, let me draw a large one. There was the GECO here, the metal GECO. It has a ventilator. Then there is a column that holds the charcoal. There is this column that holds the charcoal. This is made of metal. Then this is the ventilator. Then what you do, you put charcoal inside here. During the cooking process, this metal gets very hot, you can't hold. That one means that a lot of energy is being lost through the sides because it is made of metals, and metals are conductors. they can gain heat or lose heat easily to the surrounding. So they are losing heat in form of radiations. So if you are cooking here, the heat needed to cook, much of it will be lost to the surrounding through this metal. This is known as a metal jiko. A metal jiko. So once you realize while using this jiko, you keep on shaking because the charcoal is burning at a very fast rate. A lot of charcoal is being wasted. Because through the heat loss. So some people went ahead and now made the improved jiko. And it was given the word improved because it had a special element that I want to explain. This is now what we call an improved jiko. The jiko that has a clay lining. Then it has the charcoal holding part. It is conical in shape. So this jiko has three elements that I wish you to observe. Number one, at this point, it has what we call a clay lining. Number two, it has a conical shape. Conical shape. Then it has a ventilator like the other one. But I want to remind you this. Why is this jiko? This is what we call the improved jiko. Why do we say that this jiko is better than this? Once you put your charcoal here and put your sufuria up here, much heat is not lost to the surrounding because on the walls of the jiko is a clay lining. And clay is a poor conductor of heat. Clay is a poor conductor of heat. So the clay prevents heat loss to the surrounding. So we say it insulates heat loss. Insulates heat loss. Therefore, if you put charcoal, all the little charcoal that you put here, all the heat that will be generated will be used in the cooking, but not to warm the surrounding. You realize that in this jiko, number one, it uses small quantity of charcoal. Number two, it cooks faster than this one because all the heat is used in the cooking instead of lost into the surrounding. And that's what we give the name improved jiko. The name was obtained from the clay lining. The clay lining acts as an insulator. What is the importance of the conical shape? The conical shape helps assist the charcoal to burn together. You don't have to keep on shaking. The charcoal are able to gather at one point. What is the importance of the ventilator? The ventilator. It is important because it allows oxygen into the jiko. Oxygen is used in burning. And then therefore, it is important to use this one. Number two, it does not get hot on the sides. Why? You don't have to keep on shaking. It is not losing heat to the surrounding. The jiko gets hot because it is losing heat to the surrounding. The only disadvantage with this jiko is that number one, it is expensive to make. Number two, it is delicate. If you have to drop this one from a high height and drop this one, you realize that this one, the clay lining will break easily because the clay that is put there easily breaks. So it is delicate to handle. But the best in terms of conserving energy. So the best gadget to refer to when talking about energy efficient devices is an improved jiko. And the reason is it has got the clay lining. The jikos, there are those jikos that are people are making, they are buying nowadays that are made of stone wall. Then inside here they put cement or diatomite. Then we have the places where heat passes through. Instead of using the three stones, we put the charcoal at this point, the firewood at this point. Then it burns at this point. Then the flame gets out through this point. So this is either cement or diatomite. This is a furnace, diatomite. This type of a jiko is known as a brazier. or if it is a large one where they don't use firewood, instead they use coal, we call it a furnace. It produces high voltage, not high voltage, but high amount of heat, produces large amounts of heat, because much of the heat is not lost, it is concentrated to one point, and this is through the opening. So this one will cook fast and use very small pieces of wood. Such devices, a brazier, an improved jiko, or a furnace, are examples of energy efficient devices. You can also look at a thermal flask. A thermal flask, you put hot water, and by morning the water will still be hot. Therefore, a thermal flask can also be referred to as an energy efficient device, because the energy that will be used to heat the same water that was stored in the thermal flask, that energy is consumed. Therefore, energy efficient devices include jiko or thermal flask, or a brazier. These are examples of energy efficient devices. Now, next lesson we'll be looking at using energy sparingly. Otherwise, thank you for listening.